Do we need to know about Allah, the only true creator? Let's see what's written in Quran. In Quran, it's written in Surah Sad, O mankind, you are the ones who stand in need of Allah, and Allah, He is the all-sufficient, the all-laudable. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم يا أيها الناس أنتم الفقراء إلى الله والله هو الغني الحميد. Yes, we need to know about our true creator, because that knowledge is the key of real tranquility, happiness, and satisfaction in this life and the hereafter. Actually, our range of vision, hearing, and smell are much less than most of animals. So all our senses have limited capacity. We believe in that. For example, the sense of smelling. If we compare the human smell with dogs, for example, the dogs can smell as far as 11 miles and as deep as 15 feet. The nose of the dogs has an average of 300 million olfactory receptors, smelling receptors, compared to about 6 million receptors of human nose. Actually, dogs have roughly 40 times more smell sensitive receptors than humans. What about the vision or the eye? If we compare the human eye with the bird, for example, birds can see more colors than human, and especially the ultraviolet. The human spectral range in comparison to the one of the bird, birds are able to see four primary colors: red, green, blue, and ultraviolet, whereas humans are only able to see three: red, green, and blue. What about the human brain and the AI, the artificial intelligence, for example? Human brain are or have limitations to intelligence, such as only being able to process a limited amount of information in a given time period, having limited memories and self-control, and being prone to errors when processing complex tasks. Also, cognitive biases, limited attention span, and poor problem solving skills. These cognitive biases are tendencies to believe or perceive things in a certain way, which can cause us to make decisions that may not be based on logic or reasons. That's why our human brain cannot reach the correct, accurate facts about the supernatural world, as it's unseen, like the nature of the soul or the only true God or the true creator. Let's compare the human brain with the artificial intelligence. Human brain or human intelligence linked to human brain. Actually, artificial intelligence is a system that uses computer algorithm to mimic or exceed human performance in some tasks. Human intelligence is based on the ability of human to learn, reason, problem solving, and can analyze or perform multiple tasks simultaneously, which cannot be done by the AI actually. Human intelligence relies also on natural cognitive abilities such as intuition, creativity, empathy, and reflexes, which are difficult for computer to emulate. And both of them, human brain and the AI, depend on analysis of the input data and information. So the human consists of material thing, which is a body, and a non-material thing, which is unseen, like the soul or the spirit. The body is created from dust or from soil. That's why to keep it healthy, you have to take care about it from the soil. You are eating vegetable coming or plants coming from the soil, or animals which eating what's coming out also from the soil. So the soul or the spirit is one of the supernatural and apart from the material world, as we believe that our vision, our hearing, and smell have limited capacity. So we have to admit that also our brain has a limited capacity to find out the reality of the soul or other supernatural things. In Surah Sad in Quran, Allah say, so when I have proportioned him and breathed into him of my soul, then fall down to him in prostration. And in Surah Al-Isra, and they ask you, O Muhammad, about the soul. Say, the soul is of the affair of my Lord, and mankind have not been given of knowledge except a little. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم ويسألونك عن الروح قل الروح من أمر ربي وما أوتيتم من العلم إلا قليلا. So we are incapable of knowing the nature of the soul on our own, or of knowing the true creator, God, Allah, on our own also. We can know that only from the authentic sources. But all the area revealed books of God are either lost or altered by mankind. The only authentic and altered holy book is the Quran, which contains the exact words of God in Arabic, revealed to his final and universal Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessing be upon him. So, next time we will talk or we will explain who is Allah, the true only creator, God, and where is Allah and Allah's attribution. So see you next time. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.